In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WordPress debug logs. We'll use WordPress.com's built-in plugin flow, so you can switch logging on, review what's being recorded, and clear logs right from your dashboard. This is great for troubleshooting errors, slow queries, or unexpected behavior without touching code. First, head to wordpress.com/sites and sign in to your dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, pick the one you want to work on. Once you're in, look for the Plugins option in the left-hand menu and click it. This opens the plugin directory for your site. In the search bar, type Debug Logs and press Enter. You'll see results related to logging and troubleshooting. Find the plugin named Debug Log Config Tool. Its description highlights exactly what we need. It simplifies debugging, lets you toggle logging and query logging, choose log levels, and clear logs from the dashboard. Click the plugin name to open its details, and then click it again to go to the full plugin page. Before you add it, take a moment to review the sections on this page. Click Description to understand what the plugin changes and how it presents the logs. Then, click Installation to see how it's set up within WordPress.com's environment. Next, open Changelog to check recent updates and compatibility notes. This helps ensure you're using a tool that's actively maintained. Click FAQs to scan common questions and tips from the developer. Finally, check related plugins in case you want alternatives or companion tools for performance and security. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will walk you through connecting the plugin to a site. If you're creating a new site for testing or staging, you can use the domain flow that appears now. You'll see an option to search domains. Use this if you want to register a new one for your debugging workspace. If you already have a domain you want to use, click Already have a domain? Choose the option to use your domain, then follow the prompt to enter it. When your choice is set, click Continue. WordPress.com will finish the setup and attach the Debug Log Config tool to your site. After setup, open your site's dashboard, go to Plugins, and locate the plugin settings. From there, toggle logging on, enable query logging if needed, and pick the log level that fits your task. Errors for urgent issues, or include warnings and notices for deeper diagnosis. Remember to clear logs once you've collected what you need, and turn logging off when you're done to reduce clutter and keep your site efficient. Logs can reveal file paths and error details, so handle them carefully and avoid sharing them publicly.